Yeah, man!
Hello, my name is Miguel and today I'm gonna make for you pasta dumpling, aka source of flour dumpling. You will need 3 cups flour, half teaspoon salt, half cup water. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. This is Counter Flour Plus, which adds a little bit of wheat flour in it. You could use straight counter flour, all-purpose flour, and if you don't have anything else, you could use even baking flour. Measure 2 cups flour and then put it into a bowl. Measure half teaspoon salt. Put it on the flour that is in the bowl. Pour 3 cups water into a saucepan or a stew pot and then put it to heat. Add salt. Allow the water to boil. Use the pan's lid. Cover pot. Turn the stove's flame gauge on 4 medium-low. Use the same cup you used to measure flour. Combine it. Salt, flour. Pour the water to half cup into the cup. Use it to rinse out the remaining flour in the cup. Next, add water on the flour in the bowl. Use your right hand with your fingers. Combine ingredients to dough. Keep your left hand free and clean. Use it to hold the bowl firm. If you add too much water, add some more flour. If you add too much flour, add a little bit more water. Like me now, I added too much water. I'm measuring 1 cup flour more. In total, I used 3 cups of flour. Combine ingredients well. Ensure you get a nice, firm, non-sticking dough. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Leave a comment. Subscribe, like, and share. Once you did that, use your palm with fingers. Rip off 1 handful of flour dough. If you're unsure, do like me. Do this. Roll the piece dough in a ball. To make easy boiled dumpling, put the round piece dough between your palm as if you're clasping it. And then press it flat. Compress it flat. An easy way to do this is to put the ball of dough on a clean plate. Use your palm, compress it flat. At the end of the day, this is what you want. Once the water starts bubbling, add pasta dumpling in the boiling water, one by one. Let it stay for 30 seconds between a minute before you stir it. Cover saucepan. Open it quarter between halfway. After the time, use a cooking spoon. Stir the dumpling. If you don't stir it now, it's gonna stick to the pot's bottom and you don't want that. Open the saucepan, quarter between halfway. After 5 minutes, stir the dumpling, cover pan. After 10 minutes more, a total of 15 minutes, stir it. Ensure dumpling is not sticking on the pot's bottom. Cover it. To know if the dumpling is cooked properly, take a dumpling, put it on a plate. Use a sharp knife, cut the dumpling in half, look at it. If it's clear and you do not see raw dough, it's finished. If you see the dough and it looks like it's raw still, cook it some more. Open it quarter between halfway. Allow. After 10 minutes more, a total of 35 minutes, turn the flame off. This is it. It's finished. Use the pan's lid, cover it until serving. This is pasta dumpling, aka Sosa flour dumpling. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Subscribe, like, and share. You should try making this pasta dumpling yourself. When you do, share your experience with us. Leave a comment. Pasta dumpling tastes just like pasta. So if you don't feel like boiling regular pasta, just make your own and shape it like a dumpling. If you want, you can go through the process of making your own pasta by putting the dough on a chopping board, use a rolling pin, flatten the dough, add flour while flattening, cut long flat pasta, or if you have the machine, you could put the dough through the machine to shape the pasta to any pattern, style, shape, etc. Visit JamaicanCookings.com for the recipe. Leave a comment. Subscribe, like, and share. Until next time, wa good.